Not into wasting time, I was just doing fine. Should I find something new, or should I be tripping on you?
What?
These decisions ain't easy.
Nah.
Believe me, I know it's hard to read me. And I know with these girls I'm getting greedy, cause I can't find one that knows how to
make me happy.